the solution to this example, because we can't use a VLOOKUP, I'm going to use a combination of match and index. And I generally like to build the match first. So let's go and I'm going to look for the match. I'm going to say please look up that student number and go look at it up in this list here. So I only highlight that one, put the dollar signs on, and the type we want is false or 0 because we want an exact match. And what you should get, you'll get some NAs, but then you'll get some numbers. So that's telling us that it's the 27th row that we had found the match. I can now build my index around this. So I'm going to type index open bracket. Where must it go get the information? So I'm going to go and highlight this to the left of it, just that one column, and put my dollar signs on. And when I go comma, you'll see it's now asking for the row number, which is what this match was coming up with. I can just go to the end, I'm going to go comma, and for the column number I could leave it blank, or better I'm just going to put a 1 there so that it stays in that column. When I click enter, so the first one is NA, but that's fine because that student is not in this list. But now when we copy it down, you'll see that, for example, student 100, 135, this combination of match and index has gone, found it, here it is here, and then pulled the information back from the left hand side as opposed to the VLOOKUP, which always goes to the right.